Good morning. Up at 5:30 this morning. I'm now on my way proper. Got to get down to Newark train station. See you en route.
We will shortly be arriving at London King's Cross, where we finish our journey today. Please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you.
Journey down worked out to be incredibly simple. The train from Newark was superb, absolutely brilliant. And then took the underground across to Paddington, and then the Heathrow Express across to Heathrow Airport, Terminal 3. Got through incredibly simple. The flight is full. So I've now come through to a little bar called the Evergreen Bar and Kitchen. Got myself a pint, and I'm going to sit here now for an hour or so, and then we'll see how the flight goes. So it's all worked out well so far. Let's see how it continues. Good morning. I've made it. I'm in my room at the 21C Museum Hotel in Chicago. The journey was pretty painless, although took from getting up at 5:30 in the morning to around 10:30 p.m. Last night to get here. With the time difference, that made it 4:30 here. So what are you going to do in the afternoon? Well, go for a walk. And I had a hot dog at Portillo's, of course. I'll be doing a food review later and discover, does American food really suck? We'll find out. The transfer from the airport was really easy from my research. I keep saying how important it is to do that. Rental card, took the blue line, took me to the red line, then a 3-minute walk got me to my hotel. I was, and I am, awake very early. My first couple of days are always like this. My body needs time to adjust as I get older. But today, I'm going to try and get myself a Chicago Cubs ticket. Do some filming, eat a hot dog in there, and have a beer. It's going to be a really warm day today, 35 degrees, which is funny really, because last time I was here it's minus 20, so there's a 55-degree difference, and that's just mad. So after breakfast I'm going to get on with it. Any questions or comments, please leave them below. My epic adventure is on. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep posting. Cheers now.